friends! Today we're going to do a vocal warm-up that combines some of my old favorites with some new variations. Let's start with a few focused, low breaths as we bring ourselves into alignment. Bring your attention to a relaxed breath and allow the abdominal muscles to really open up and relax for a fluid movement. Join me in a yawn sigh. Begin a yawn, but instead of completing the yawn, sigh down. Try to memorize this relaxed and easy feeling. Let's start with a limited range vocal warm-up on the sound of vo, like vo. Here we go. Let's move on to a lip trill like and go. Let's glide from the top of our range to the bottom on a key sound. Key! Now on that same key sound, we will sing key. Here we go. Key. Take a moment to make sure that you know about the mobile app that I've published for warm-ups on the go. It has some of my best playlists, there are no commercials, and you can save your favorites for offline use. It's called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen, and the information is down below. I hope you'll check it out. Oh, also, if you like this shirt, you can click below to buy it. Now we're going to sing on hng-ee. That first sound I would spell hng with no vowel. Air comes through the nose. It sounds like this. Here we go. On to some interval work. We're going to start on a lip trill and then move to an ooh sound like ooh. Try it. Another interval exercise to sing on a very round but relaxed vo. The pattern is vo and go. Vo, Let's move on to a little bit of flexibility. We will sing on knee-o, like knee-o-ee-o-ee-o-ee-o-ee, and go. Knee-o-ee-o-ee-o-ee-o-ee, 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 knee-o-ee-o-ee-o-ee-o-ee. next exercise is great for breath engagement. We're going to sing on hip, hip, haw, like hip, hip, haw. Give it a try. Hip, hip, haw. 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 And let's sigh down. Gentle sighs are a great way to bring in relaxation. Bringing that relaxed sigh feeling through a greater range, let's sing on li le li ah, like li le li ah. Just use the tip of the tongue and keep everything as relaxed as possible while still staying engaged with the breath. Here we go. Li le li ah. 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 Well done. Let's do one more sigh down. Thanks so much for warming up with me today. It's always a pleasure. If you'd like a bit of a longer warm-up, check out the link that should be right about here. I also hope you'll check out my Vocal Warmup app, linked here and below. See you next time. We're going to move on to some interval. Hi, Olaf. You want to come sing? We're doing... He doesn't have lips, that's hard for him.